Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2019 CBR500R with ABS brakes. This bike is in perfect condition, only 4,600 miles. Save about $2,000 off the price of a new one. Only $59.99. Beautiful matte black with red highlights. ABS brakes, twin cylinder, liquid cooled, fuel injected. Come on by, check it out. We have financing, we have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.